Hi everyone, welcome to Indonesian and English learning channel. Today we have a news, and our news is about chemicals in blood. A study has found that several sunscreen chemicals are absorbed into the bloodstream even after a single use. Researchers tested the absorption of 6 active ingredients found in 4 commercially available sunscreen products. Participants applied sunscreen to 75% of their bodies over 4 days. And scientists found that all 6 ingredients were absorbed into the bloodstream, and they remained in participant bodies for days. They also found that the concentration levels exceeded safety limits. Despite these findings, scientists still recommend to continue to use sunscreens for their recognized public health benefits. Experts say that more research is needed to understand the chemicals absorption into the body and what effects that absorption may have. This is the end of our news for today. So happy study and see you in our next video. Please subscribe our channel. Bye.